Hello and welcome back to DriveTracker. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to sign up for a paid subscription plan once your free trial ends, how to manage your subscription and payment settings, and how to reset your password if you forget it. Your DriveTracker free trial will last for 15 days. As you near the end of your trial, you'll see this message when you log in, to remind you that you need to sign up for a paid plan if you wish to continue using DriveTracker. You'll also see a reminder message at the top of the screen as you use the application. Click on the Account Page button to sign up for a paid subscription at any time so that you can continue using DriveTracker. If you reach the end of your trial without signing up for a paid subscription plan, you'll see this pop-up message when you log in. You'll see a similar message if you have a paid plan that has expired, either because you canceled it or because your credit card information has changed. Click on the Yes button to go to the Accounts page to sign up for a paid plan or to restart your subscription. There, you'll be able to see the plan that you're on, the status of your account, and the date that your trial will expire or has expired. On the Account page, you can also access our Terms of Service and Privacy Policy for more helpful information about different types of DriveTracker accounts. If you don't want to subscribe at this time, click on Do Not Subscribe. If you're ready to continue with your DriveTracker account, select the payment option that works best for you between monthly and annual, and then click on Subscribe. You will then be able to fill in and submit your payment information for the payment plan that you selected. If you already have an account on a monthly payment plan, you can upgrade your subscription to an annual subscription. To do so, go to the account settings, and then click on Upgrade Subscription. You can also update your payment information by clicking Update Payment Info and entering your new payment information in the same format that was just reviewed for subscribing to DriveTracker. Finally, you can cancel your subscription by clicking Cancel Subscription. If you cancel your subscription, you'll be able to use DriveTracker until your next monthly payment is due, but you won't have to pay again. On the Accounts page, you'll also be able to see the date that your subscription will expire. With an annual subscription, you'll have the options to update your payment information or cancel your subscription. Again, canceling your subscription will allow you to use DriveTracker until your next annual payment is due. You can also look at the expiration date for your account. All account types, including the free trial, allow you to reset your password from the account page by clicking Change Password. There, enter your old password, your new password, and confirm your new password before clicking Update Password. Your new password must contain at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter, as well as at least one number. If you forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link in the login page. Then enter your email address and click on Send Reset Password Email to receive an email with directions for resetting your password. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to manage and share your routes with other DriveTracker users.